Here's how to make all TikTok videos private at once. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can make all TikTok videos private at once. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up TikTok. Here, as you can see, I'm on TikTok right now, and what you simply need to do is just go to your profile. And here, as you can see, I got two videos right over here, and I'm just gonna make them private both at once. So how do you do that? Inside your profile, you just need to go ahead and press on these two horizontal lines on the corner. Once you do this, you'll see four options. Go ahead and press on settings and privacy. And right over here, you just gotta scroll down a bit until you see activity center. Just go ahead and press on that, and then scroll down till the bottom until you see the third last option, which is manage post visibility, and then just simply press on that. And here, as you can see, these are the videos. I'm just gonna select them and change it to only you, and then next, and only you, update. So the videos have been privated. So let me go and check. And yeah, here as you can see, the videos aren't public anymore, they're inside my private. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can make all TikTok videos private at once. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.